So, hello friends. So, how does it work and why does it work? We are going to talk right now about pressure building in the lungs and also about oxygen distribution. So, why do we need it? Basically, really simple. For example, you have still a dry cough. We need to increase the density. We need to stabilize the lung. Therefore, we need the pressure just if you have a dry cough, and maybe you have some other issues like fever or whatever, and you want to accelerate your process to get healed. Because if you have like oxygen for breathing, this is like your accelerator. But the second point is like your nutrition. So without nutrition, you cannot accelerate, but just with oxygen, you also cannot accelerate. So you need both components. For this especially, you are just welcome to watch like the components down like on superheroshare.com, and please watch the Superhero Share Compass. So this is giving you a better overview. So thank you and welcome to superheroshare.com. So yeah, right now let's gonna get started. So let's focus. So it's a simple exercise. The first one is already provided on the platform, and it's a combination between the first, which is pressure building, and the second one, which is oxygen distributing. Yeah, let's gonna get started. So I'm just going to show you the exercise. For making the pressure, I use the lung capacity, which is increased if I raise my hand, and then I go down by having like the full pressure without breathing out. So I try to make it as good as possible. So I raise the hands, and while I'm rising, I'm just breathing in. Once I breathe in, I don't let the oxygen go. I don't keep it inside. Once I'm going down and roll it over my knees. Afterwards, I'm going to release the oxygen. So right now I'm going to release the oxygen. And now I'm going to inhalate again and keep the oxygen. And the last position, when I lowered the hand, this was like when I let the oxygen go. So yeah, it can be a little bit breathtaking. It's normal if you get a little bit black, because this is like a process how your lungs can improve them by taking up oxygen, and it's actually pretty healthy. So just do that as you feel comfortable. Don't do any risks when you have some material around you, and yeah, that's basically it. I don't take any risks, but yeah, it actually, and I don't say it works for 100%, and but my experience were like it always was working correctly, even if I tried it by other people. So yeah, this is actually about the about this type of method. So finally, I just want to say to you, okay, if you have some improvements, and if you know them, and if you just comment them, then if I have the time, I also will make an update for all the subscribers of Facebook and YouTube. And yeah, of course, there are several, of course, if there are donations on superheroshare.com, there will be rising a comparison portal about different diseases, just by curing them with healthy habits. And yeah, that's all from superheroshare.com. So last but not least, I want just to say you, okay, the following steps make you two superheroes. First of all, if you share this video now, especially if you share videos which are helping, like for Corona and other things, on superheroshare.com, because these videos, maybe some people suffer from some issues, and you can maybe be the life rescue saver. Then the second thing is, animate the people. Sometimes they are shy just to use these habits. If they once tried and if they see it's working, then they still continue to do that. The second and the third and the last thing is, actually, if you have a better habit, just comment it. And I'm doing these videos on several languages, so I'm going to translate better habits from every other language back to here. So you're welcome just to make a comment with your habit, and I'm happy to help you if I see a better habit. So thank you. I wish you all the best, all the health, and all the luck, so all the love. So enjoy, and thank you for listening, and check out the clips on superheroshare.com, and thank you. Bye.